Hello guys, welcome to our basic general awareness channel. Today we need to talk about January month most important current affairs. In this week or in this month we have two main exams, that is IBPS clerk and IBPS RRB office assistant. So January month current affairs are very important for these two exams. We need to learn all the current affairs and most important ones. The first one is, where is the headquarter of IDBI Bank? We all know IDBI Bank is the majority stake held by the LIC. The IDBI Bank headquarters is located in Mumbai. The option A is correct answer. Second one is, Reserve Bank of India has constituted an advisory council to manage under chairmanship of Dash. That is the Payment Infrastructure Development Fund. Who is the head? This is most important one. Mark for 5 star. That is BP Kanunge. Third one is, Government of India has signed a loan agreement with New Development Bank worth 646 million US dollars for two road projects in which state? That is Andhra Pradesh state. So 646 million US dollars. So New Development Bank. This is very important. The fourth one is, Shivalik Mercantile Cooperative Bank has become the first urban cooperative bank in India to receive license from RBI to operate as a dash. That means small finance bank. So this is one is also important. It is located in Maharashtra. Dash has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Indian Army of Shaurya salary account. Which bank is Indian Army for Shaurya salary account under MOU? That means Bandhan Bank. The Bandhan Bank headquarters is in Kolkata. Sixth one is, RBI announced the operationalization of the Payment Infrastructure and Development Fund with an initial corpus of dash crores. How much crores? 345 crores. That means 345 crores. Seventh one, the year 2021 released by the NSO, the GDP will shrink by dash in the financial year ending March 2021. How much percentage? That means 7.7%. In the quarter 1, it is minus 23.9. In the quarter 2, it is minus 7.5%. The overall GDP shrink by 7.7%. Eighth one, Central Bank of India has signed MOU with NAB Foundation to provide working capital to all self-help groups, SHGs, which have an account with it and undertake the dash project. That means My Pad, My Right. Which bank has signed? Central Bank of India. Where is the headquarters of Central Bank of India? That is Mumbai. Ninth one is, India's rank in the third edition of Digital Evaluation Scorecard 2020, developed by the Tufts University Fletcher School in partnership with MasterCard. That is, India's rank is fourth in the Digital Evaluation Scorecard 2020. 10th one, Dash has collaborated with Niti Aayog to launch the updated Women Entrepreneurship Platform. That is Flipkart. This is the most important. Under chairmanship of Dash, RBI has constituted a working group on digital lending to study all aspects of digital lending activities in regulated financial sector as well as by unregulated players. That is Jayant Kumar Das. 12th one, Dash has completed 5 years of its operations in January 2021. That is Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. It was started in 2016. According to Financial Stability Report released by the Reserve Bank of India, banks' gross NPA may rise to dash by September 2021. According to Financial Stability Report, that is 13.5%. 14th, Tesla has incorporated a fully owned subsidiary in India city of Dash. Tesla has came into India in which city? That is Bangalore. 15th, Dash company find a top position in the list of 500 most valuable companies across the world. That is Apple. India Post Payment Bank started in Dash year in 2018 year. This was asked in SBI clerk exam. Dash has launched Wellness and Wellness Plus credit card in partnership with Aditya Birla Wellness Private Limited. Which bank? That is S Bank. S Bank headquarters is in Mumbai. 18th one. The ADB, Asian Development Bank, has partnered with European Investment Bank to initiate a clean and sustainable ocean partnership to achieve SDG and the climate goals as advised in the Paris Agreement. Which bank? European Investment Bank. As per the Reserve Bank of India, 19th one. State Bank of India, ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank continued as a domestic systematically important banks, that is DSIBs, which are too big to fail. The RBI issued the framework for dealing with the DSIBs in dash year. in 2014. That is, these banks are very important for Indian economy. Dash has launched InstaFX app for forex partners to help customers of any bank to obtain forex prepaid cards. That means ICICI Bank. Insta means ICICI Bank. I for ICICI. Dash has launched Aura, a credit card with health and wellness benefits of affordable price for individual users. That is, Aura means Axis Bank. AU Axis. SFB, Suryodaya Small Finance Bank Limited, headquarters is in Mumbai. 23rd. Dash has launched SafePay, a safe way to pay digitally to protect Airtel customers from the growing incidence of online frauds. So, Airtel Payment Bank, SafePay. 24th. World Economic Outlook released by Dash, that is IMF, International Monetary Fund. World Economic Outlook. World Economic Situation and Prospects 2021, released by United Nations Department of Economic and Social Affairs, UNDSA. World Economic Situation and Prospects. Global Financial Service Major HSBC has inaugurated its International Banking Unit branch in Dash State, that is Gujarat. International Energy Agency IEA, headquarters is in Paris, France. Dash has ranked most valuable IT service brand globally, that is Accenture. In India, Tata Consultancy is ranked 3rd place. In accordance with the RBI data, overseas investment by domestic firms fell by over dash percentage, that is 42%. Overseas investment. According to Futures Industry Association, 13th one, which stock exchange remained the world's largest derivative exchange for the second consecutive year? That is National Stock Exchange of India, NSE, which was situated in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Padma Shri Award Colonel Narendra Bull Kumar passed away recently. He was an mountaineer. Renowned journalist and Pulitzer Prize winner author Neil Sheehan passed away. He was a citizen of USA. Renowned personality Ustad Ghulam Mustafa Khan. This is most important for IBPS clerk exam. That is, he was a classical musician. Renowned personality Dr. V. Shanta passed away. She was a famous oncologist. The actor Unnikrishnan Namboothiri passed away. The DRDO Day observed on Dash 1st January 2021. 39. World Braille Day, that is 4th January 14th. The theme of 16th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas, that is contributing to Atmanirbhar Bharat. The World Hindi Day, 10th January. National Hindi Day, that is 14th September. Okay. 42nd. The theme of National Youth Day 2021, which was celebrated on every year on 12th January to the commemorative birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. That is Yuva Utsav Naye Bharat Ka. 43rd. Ministry of Transport and Highway has decided to observe Road Safety Month from 18th January to 17th February, over 1 month period. The Army Day in India is celebrated every year on 15th January. The National Disaster Response Force NDRF Rising Day, celebrated every year on 19th January. 46. The Government of India has decided to celebrate Parakram Divas every year on which the birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, that is 23rd January. National Girl Child Day in India is celebrated every year on 24th January. International Day of Education, that is 24th January. National Voters Day, this is most important, observed every year on 25th January. The theme is making our voters empowered, vigilant, safe and informed. National Tourism Day is observed every year on 25th January. This is also very important. Sunita Sharma has been appointed as the new chairman and chief executive of Railway Board under the Ministry of Railways. These all are very important for IBPS clerk and RRB office assistants. Thank you guys.